Are you looking for the best juicers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best juicers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Breville the Juice Fountain Cold. The full-size version of Breville's Juice Fountain Compact above. This updated and well-built juicer features quieter operation and an extra wide whole fruit feed chute. It doesn't actually chill any juice. The cold in the name refers to its patented cold spin technology, which ensures that the juice is heated by less than 2 degrees during processing. The machine offers 2 different speeds, 6,500 RPM for softer fruits and 13,000 RPM for hard items like carrots or whole apples. The high-speed mode was more than able to handle cauliflower, bell pepper, cucumber, and even pineapple with the skin still on. The juice jug holds 70 ounces and includes its own lid, so you can seal and keep your juice fresh in the fridge for up to 3 days. The pulp container also holds nearly a gallon. You could potentially make juice for 2 or 3 mornings in a row between cleanings. Despite the big power, the Breville Cold had similar trouble with spinach and other leafy veggies as the Compact, so it might not be an ideal choice for fans of green juice. That said, if you drink a lot of juice but don't want to pay a lot of money, you really can't beat the capacity of this model for the price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hurom Slow Juicer. In contrast to the rapidly spinning blades and screens in a centrifugal juicer, a masticating juicer crushes ingredients more slowly, yielding as much liquid as possible while retaining as much nutritional content as possible. The nearly silent Hurom operates at just 43 RPM and can juice just about anything with amazing effectiveness, whether that's fruits and veggies or even soybeans or almonds for non-dairy milk. This machine also gives you pulp customization options, with the ability to make orange or other citrus juice with a bit of texture, too. It did a good job with veggies, but we would recommend chopping them into fairly small pieces for the best results. The HAA's design means it's quite multifunctional, with the ability to make tofu, ice cream, and more in addition to milks and juices. We found it a bit complicated to put together, take apart, and clean. But it does have a safety lock system that keeps it from turning on unless everything is properly installed. It's a sturdy machine that can handle years of heavy use, though the price tag definitely reflects that level of quality. At number 3, we have the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. The compact Magic Bullet blender is a great value for making smoothies, and its miniature counterpart similarly impresses. It's a no-frills machine, but its 400-watt motor and 2-inch feed tube can make short work of most anything. In testing, we got better than expected performance. Even with vegetable juices, it was able to handle beets, carrots, ginger, and orange, kale, lemon, cucumber, and apple, and even straight celery for celery juice. It did leave somewhat wet pulp, which means there was some unextracted juice left behind, but the generous 52-ounce pulp bin held everything easily. If you want to get hardcore, you could even squeeze the pulp in a strainer bag to extend the yield. The juice from the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer goes straight into an included 16-ounce cup with a twist-on travel lid, which makes it easy to take on the go. The machine itself is very simple to assemble, use, and take apart for cleaning. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher. We were also able to wash everything by hand in under 5 minutes, including scrubbing out the filter screen. It doesn't include any extra parts for things like ice cream or baby food, but at this price, the juicer-only machine is still a great value. At number 2, we have the Omega Ultimate Juicer System. The Omega Nutrition Center may have a larger countertop footprint than vertical juicers, but its unique design gives it an edge over the competition. This machine extracts the juice twice, once during the crushing process and then again from the pulp. During testing, We knew the Omega was extracting the maximum amount of liquid it could when we felt how dry the pulp was. It can easily tackle tougher fruits and vegetables to produce a delicious cup of pulp-free juice you'll want to drink right on the spot, making it a great gift for vegetarians and fans of green juice. As a masticating juicer, this machine operates at a slow 80 RPM, avoiding the flavor-destroying heat that rapidly spinning blades can generate. Its small feed chute means you have to cut ingredients into little pieces before juicing, but the performance makes that worth the extra effort. The Omega also does so much more than juice. Thanks to a range of attachments, it can also be used to make nut butter, grind coffee or spices, mince herbs, and extrude pasta. It even has a homogenizer attachment to make frozen desserts and baby food. While this isn't the quietest juicer on the market, it is a true multitasking appliance and a cinch to clean. And finally at number 1, we have the Breville Juice Fountain Compact. Small and affordable, this centrifugal juicer from Breville is a great value pick. It has a 3-inch feed tube that can handle a whole apple, so you'll hardly need to cut up your fruits and vegetables before juicing. It's also very powerful for its size. We barely had to give the food pusher much use to move food through the blade. Whole celery stalks and carrots were pulled down and processed in seconds. It did a great job with fruits and harder veggies, but it had a little trouble with leafy greens. The instructions suggest bundling leaves between pieces of firmer produce, but that didn't really help when we tried to juice spinach. The leaves were sucked through the blade quickly, extracting very little juice. The machine is compact on the countertop and looks sleek, with mostly dishwasher-safe parts. However, the mesh filter screen can't go in the dishwasher, and it's tough to scrub out all the little bits that get stuck in there. We needed several rounds of scrubbing and brushing to get it completely clean. The brand also recommends soaking in lemon juice and water periodically to help remove built-up residue. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.